So let's take a deep breath and enter into a time of meditation and contemplation, just relaxing, welcoming the fullness of our awareness, the fullness of our spirit. Thank you for today. Thank you for this moment. Thank you, sweet me in there that shows up, that brought me here to the awareness of this moment. I am present. I am awake and I am listening. Inhaling and exhaling. Just letting the flow of life move in and through and as me. There is no place to go, no thing to do to get more God. All Godness is right here, available, accessible in this moment. Inhaling and exhaling. We begin to draw our attention to the watcher, the observer, the one who's always been there, the one who will always be there, the one peering out through my eyes as a baby and as a tot. The one peering out through these eyes as an elder. Here I am. Breathing into this statement of affirmation by Michael Singer. I live my life in a state of complete freedom. I live my life in a state of complete freedom. I don't have to work to make that true. It is the truth that I sometimes pass by and fail to pick up because I'm grasping for what feels good or pushing away what doesn't. But I'm awake now. Breathing into this affirmation, there is a beautiful flow of energy that keeps rising within me. There is a beautiful flow of energy that keeps rising within me. And we take that thought into the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love. God is love. And may we know ourselves as expressions of this love. Namaste.